Meaning of ecotourist.
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 Ecotourist. An ecotourist is someone who travels to natural or fragile areas in an environmentally responsible manner. The goal is to learn about and appreciate the environment while minimizing negative impacts. Ecotourists prioritize ethical and sustainable practices and seek out experiences that support conservation efforts and benefit local communities. By supporting eco-friendly tourism, ecotourists can help preserve natural resources and promote sustainability. Ultimately, ecotourism can have positive economic, social, and environmental impacts by providing income for local residents, promoting cultural exchange, and protecting important ecosystems and wildlife.